What if you could create a flow of income that doesn't rely on a single job? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a money pipeline, a system that works for you and generates wealth, even when you're not working. We all know the traditional route: work hard at your job, earn a paycheck, and rinse and repeat. But what if I told you that the true key to financial freedom is to stop relying solely on a job and start building a money pipeline? A pipeline that works for you even when you're not clocking in. First, let's define the difference. A job is when you exchange your time for money. You work, you get paid, and then you work again for more money. While a job can provide financial stability, it's limited. It requires your constant time and energy, and you're often trading your hours for pay. A money pipeline, on the other hand, is when you set up systems that create income for you whether you're working or not. Think of it like building a flow of money that doesn't depend on your active involvement every day. The foundation of your money pipeline is passive income. This is income that comes in regularly with minimal effort on your part, like rental income from property, dividend payments from stocks, royalties from books, music, or art, and affiliate marketing commissions from products you promote. By starting to invest in one or more of these income streams, you begin to create a steady flow of money that isn't tied to the hours you work. The key is to start small and gradually build these streams over time. Another crucial component of a money pipeline is scalable income. This is when your income potential isn't limited by how much time you can work. For example, online courses, ebooks, or digital products, and side businesses. The beauty of scalable income is that it allows you to earn more while investing less of your time. As your side business or online product gains traction, it will grow without you needing to actively work for every dollar. Once you have a few income streams set up, it's time to automate them. Use technology to your advantage. Set up automatic payments, recurring subscriptions, or digital tools to manage your investments. The more you automate, the less hands-on effort you need to put in. For example, you can automate monthly savings or investments through apps, set up recurring income from rental properties, or schedule content to drive affiliate marketing sales. To make your money pipeline even stronger, reinvest the income you generate. Whether it's investing in more assets, creating more digital products, or scaling up your side business, reinvesting your profits is key to growing your wealth over time. The more you reinvest, the bigger your pipeline gets, and eventually you'll have a system that generates income on its own. So the next time you think about your career, remember, it's not just about a job. It's about building a money pipeline that works for you and grows over time. Start small, automate, and reinvest to create financial freedom. For more money-smart tips and strategies, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's ready to start building their own money pipeline.